come today in front of me Honor 8X, and I'll show you how to activate audio control in Camera app on this smartphone. So first you should go into the Camera application, and then on the right upper corner tap on the settings icon, and here you'll see the audio control section. Tap there and tap once to the switcher to enable the camera control. You can say choose to take a photo, or you can just speak loudly to take a photo, or also you can just switch it back to say cheese, or also you can just turn off the audio control if you want and take picture just with your fingers. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.